I'm here with Robert Hallam, who is responsible for Region 1 membership. Robert, this is going to be a pleasure. You're going to talk to us a little bit about the training sessions that are going on throughout Europe, what's been done so far, and what we can expect in the next year.
Sure.
So maybe you can give us some details.
Yes, Bob, we're certainly looking to now focus significantly on areas outside of the UK. Of course, we've had tremendous success in the UK with regard to membership and the growth of CEDIA, and we now want to try and take that and extend it beyond, of course, Europe, certainly in the short term, and across into some of the other regions that we need to encourage membership, grow the trade association, and of course find tangible benefits to those particular members or potential members in those regions. So we're now looking to put some resource into conversion, of course, of the various training courses that we've done very successfully here in the UK, and look to obviously encourage other custom installers companies in those particular regions to come on board and, of course, take an interest in what CEDIA is doing, help us to actually do some of those conversions, and, of course, try and find very tangible benefits that we've obviously demonstrated very clearly in the UK, and now want to extend obviously into some of the other regions.
Maybe you can give our readers a little bit of background of the sessions that have gone on already. You've been in Russia and you've been in South Africa. You've been pretty much all around this big Region 1.
Yes, we've been trying to, of course, look at areas where we can certainly do easier translation of some of the course material, and certainly English-speaking regions that's been much easier to achieve, certainly places like South Africa. But of course we want to now extend that and go into some of the other regions and translate that information. But we've had a very successful training session in South Africa recently, which was significantly attended by custom installers in that particular region. We're looking to, of course, look for a member base there that we can drive the CEDIA benefit and of course drive the custom installation industry through those particular areas. We've been at the PALM show in Dubai recently, of course, doing some training in that area. We've done the high-tech show in Moscow, and of course we've also had some training sessions in Switzerland, which have been very successful, and that's part, of course, of the achievement of getting that course material and, of course, the information translated into different languages, where, of course, it's easier for people to see the benefits of the CEDIA Trade Association.
So if we've got some professionals out there in Italy, in Spain, and the other countries throughout Europe, maybe they should just send you an email and say, "Hey, I'm interested. What can we do? Maybe we can get these things rolling in these countries." Yeah,
I think certainly the awareness of the custom install industry is increasing significantly. The tangible aspects of what CEDIA is all about in terms of the education process, and of course bringing all the manufacturers together to do their own training as well as some CEDIA-based training, are things that we now need to extend into those regions, and we're very keen to try and find people within all of the areas around Europe to come and contact us, show a level of interest, and of course potentially drive some awareness in those particular areas and help us to actually translate some of this information into those particular regions.
Well, for more information, it's cedia.co.uk, and you can find more information about the different services that you get when you're a CEDIA member.
Yes.
And then they can contact you through the website.
Yes,
and find out more.
Yes, no, we'd be delighted to hear from anyone certainly in those regions, and we really are going to put a big drive into identifying those individuals and, of course, encourage them to help us extend the CEDIA message beyond, obviously, the successful regions we've had so far.
Robert, this has been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Look forward to seeing you throughout the show.
All right, thank you indeed.
Thank you very much.